I want to apologize to you.
For what?
This drink has coconut in it. It's a Coco Libre.
I don't have a problem with coconut. I just don't like to mix coconut and pineapple together too frequently.
1 ounce of Malibu Rum.
Are you going to put pineapple in with that?
No.
Are you going to put orange juice in with that?
No.
Are you going to put triple sec in it?
No.
All right, I'm invested.
Those are the only questions you had?
That's it for right now.
I'm lazy. I didn't want to cut up a lime. It's supposed to be a squeeze of lime. So I'm just going to squeeze the bottle until it's... I'm going to pour until my ancestors tell me not to.
So you're putting the lime in the coconut and you're going to mix it all up?
Yes, right after I add Coke.
Okay, I got to be honest. I don't think this is going to be bad.
It's a Coco Libre.
I feel like this is actually going to be pretty good. Cheers, dear.
Cheers to a Coco Libre.
That's really freaking good. No?
And you know me, I love Coke, but something about that is not for me.
I don't know what this, I can't describe the taste of it. It makes the Coke sweeter, but then there's just a tang of lime on the back end of it to calm it down. I think it's pretty good.
I'm just gonna drink my pineapple juice.